VideoWrapper live demo and review. Let's make an engagement boosting video. Today is 6th of December, which means it's Santa Claus Day. So why not use this to get some engagement from the Facebook page fans or your people following you on Instagram or whatever on social media. Let's start right over, and I'm going to show you a pretty cool, let's say, trick where you can make some cool headers and footers for free. So first and foremost, we pick a background, and I like this one with the stars. It's great. Next video, I already uploaded this Santa Claus video here. Otherwise, you can drag and drop it here. So add this video, and let's make it smaller. Put it right over here. And let's go to the header and footer section. And I already have uploaded this text here. And you can go, if you never heard about that, it's called cooltext.com. Let's have a look. Cooltext.com. And if you go down, you'll find the generator categories, most popular, whatever. And what you can do here is pretty cool. You can actually click one and say, well, leave me a comment, and it will generate you this fancy logo. So you can create logo and you can download it. That's actually what I did here with this, the font called Snow. But anyway, we add this and we put it here. It's pretty cool. Let's make it a little bit. What's your wish? Okay. And we go to the next step, which is actually text. Nope. Back and forward. Okay, and as text, we want to make some engagement. So leave a comment. Let's make the color red, and let's go for a cooler font. Nope. That's great. So add. Put it down. Leave a comment. Pretty awesome. And let's go to the next. And as you see, it's pretty easy to do. So what I want to do is I want to pick some arrows, which I already have here. You will find these arrows everywhere in the internet. Just Google for arrow GIF. So let's add this. Put it here. And that's actually it. Looks great. So if you have any kind of Facebook fan page or whatever, this is a pretty cool live demo how you can build or wrap stuff around your video, which will start some engagement just because of the simple fact, the headline, what is your wish? People will have a look what it's all about, and as soon as they see the video where this little kid talked with this Santa Claus, and the wish is pretty cool. Anyway, so and then leave a comment, people will start to engage with this stuff, and you can use this for several things you can do. One of the things is probably if you have a kind of shop or whatever you have to offer, you may get some people engaged on your Facebook fan page who will say what they want, right? Because you ask, what is your wish? That's actually it. So give your name a rep. What is your wish? Save and download. And here we are, ready to go.
How are you? You good?
Pretty awesome. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching this. Subscribe my channel, leave me a comment, thumb up or whatever, and let's talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.